What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop, and today we are going to finally assemble my Christmas present.
On the side?
Yep, and then we're gonna lay it flat. And then we'll set it down.
Yeah, after we do. Perfect for this. So we were walking at Home Depot probably in November, and I saw this awesome table that would be perfect for building projects. Especially with our shop, we build pretty much one project at a time, and so I'll kind of like isolate an area for that project until it's finished. This table that I saw was like the perfect height. You can actually adjust the height on it. It's got two drawers, big full-length drawers for your tools, and it has a nice butcher block wood top. Like it would be the perfect project bench.
Yeah.
Especially since we're about to start this LS build. So this right here is what we're gonna assemble. It's the Husky 52-inch work table, adjustable height, two drawers, everything. This is kind of what it looks like. So this will be another perfect addition for our shop. Think we can get it together?
Yeah.
All right, the box is actually super heavy. So we're gonna try and get this box open. Oh, there it is. It's 137 pounds. So we're gonna get it on the ground, get it open, and we're hoping it's halfway assembled and we just gotta pop the legs on. You ready to do it?
Yep.
And I do have my Lego mechanical mind engineer here. This is my son, Memphis, my oldest one, that assembles everything, and he's the best assembler. So anytime I have something like this, I say, Memphis, assemble this for me. And he usually knocks it out. All right, let's get started. Perfect.
This off.
Comes off. Oh, boom, look at that.
Holy moly.
That's probably why it's so heavy. Let's see if we can take this out.
Yeah.
Okay. So far, nothing is assembled. It comes in a million pieces. I did not expect those to be that heavy. All right, son.
Yeah.
Your true test.
How do you get that?
I want you. Can you take lead on this assembly?
Yeah.
You take lead.
Okay.
And you tell me what to do as far as assembly.
Alright.
You comfortable with that? All right. I'm really impressed with all the metal. Okay, so far we have everything unpackaged, and I was expecting some cheap metal parts that you assemble together and it kind of stiffens up, but every single part is super heavy, heavy gauge. I mean, it really feels premium. The legs are like an 1/8 inch steel, I'm pretty sure. So super impressed so far. We'll see how it assembles. That is everything.
All right. Assembly. Pre-assembly? No. All right. We're starting with this. Okay. So let's put the table on these so we can set it down. You need to flip it upside down.
All right.
Set it on this side so it doesn't hit us.
Well, that's what is fixed anyway. So we got the legs assembled on the top, as you can see, and it does have two options. Right here, it comes with these little feet, but it also comes with these wheels, which I think are gonna be perfect. So we're gonna opt for the wheel install, and that way this thing can be rolled around like wherever, next to a car, bike, whatever you're working on or building. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
So wheels. Last door.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to flip it? Ready? Ooh, boom.
Look at that.
There it is.
Did you hit your thumb?
No, I just got a little splinter.
Oh.
Dude, that's so sweet.
This is going to be a perfect thing to set this up. That big piece of cardboard.
Wow.
Save that.
Wow. Dude, that's
Definitely
cool.
worth. And then you put on the last part. The crank.
That's so cool.
Look at that. That'd be a good filming table.
Dude, that is cool. Dude, and it's like,
And it moves so
especially
easily.
next to a car, working and like,
Raising it like just above so it doesn't clip.
yeah, this is literally gonna be the perfect bench
Lifesaver,
for
too.
building an engine. Like build an engine right here. This is all your small parts that you don't wanna lose.
Our
Like
bolts
this,
would go in here.
yeah,
The
bolts, that's what I'm saying. This stand would be dedicated to that engine
Yeah.
until you're complete.
And then whenever we're filming, we can go like this.
Yeah.
That's actually, it feels
And it's
really
like-
good too.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel.
Yeah.
Back at the shop working. Another project. Heck yeah, man. Thanks, Memphis. This is awesome. That is so cool.
Yeah.
She's complete. Here's the lift at its almost full height. Memphis, is that full height on the wheel? No, it still goes higher. That's good there. Yeah, so here's the worktop. It's like right below chest height on me. It's perfect. It comes with 2 drawers, big, full size, full pull-out drawers, top and bottom. It's adjustable. There's probably almost 2 feet of adjustability. I would say maybe 20 inches. You can go up and down. It's got the casters on the bottom. Beautiful butcher block top. So you can see the Husky symbol right there. And then here's your wheel adjuster, and it just comes right off. So you can put it in your drawer and you just slide it on and it simply turns to raise it up and down. Definitely impressed with the thickness of the metal. There's the back of it. I was highly surprised by how heavy each piece was that you bolted up. It does not feel like your standard metal stuff these days. Definitely highly recommend it. Super excited about it. All right, guys, that sums up this video and that completes our build of this awesome workbench. What do you think?
It's pretty cool.
It is definitely a super good bench. We feel the construction on it was, by far exceeded our expectations.
Yeah.
The adjustable height, that is like a super cool feature. It's got the 2 drawers up front. They work awesome. The tabletop, the butcher block is like legit thick butcher block. You can work on it, hammer on it.
Yeah.
The caster wheels are super cool too. It's going to be great, especially for like engine builds or when you're working on stuff. You can pretty much isolate this whole bench to that project until you finish it and it rolls around. So it's going to be great.
Yeah.
All right, Memphis, these were the directions. Thank you, sir, for taking the lead on this project. We actually assembled it and we didn't have to take apart anything and go back on the directions. And that is why I love my oldest son, because his brain works perfectly for these type of projects.
And I guess we don't need this anymore.
No more directions. That concludes this week's build in the shop. Make sure you guys stay tuned next week for more builds and updates on our shop build. And we will see you guys next week.
Yep.